Hi, Kimberly here from BeautifulLife365.com, and today I want to show you a quick way to make some pattern papers that you can use in your mixed media collages for your journal. So first you want to paint a background on your paper, and I generally do this with acrylic paint. You can see some of the papers that I have here. And then you can use stamps, and these are some homemade stamps that I've made and an ink pad that I've used to print a pattern on the paper. I'll link to the video explaining how to make those stamps. And here's another stamp I've used, and then there's the pattern from that. You can see some other examples here. Here's the stamp for that. Then I also will use a Sharpie pen and draw patterns, or a white paint pen. I've also used a gold paint pen here. And here's some other examples with the stamps. And then this is a homemade stamp, and I used a watered down acrylic paint. You don't want it too thin because it will run, but you want it a little bit thinner than it comes out of the tube. And I love this archival ink in black, and they also have other colors. So hope that helps you make some quick pattern papers that you can use for your collages. Be sure and check out my other journal posts at BeautifulLife365.com, and have a great day.